Hi, so welcome to semester two for everybody. It's actually sometime in late November for me, but I'm recording these videos ahead of time. So I'm hoping that they all make sense. And it's really weird for me to not be joining you guys today at the start of the second semester, but you guys are going to be working with Dr. Chapineau for the next couple of months. And I know that you guys are going to be in good hands and still able to do a lot of learning. So today, we are going to be diving into Unit 5, Part 2. Ideally, you guys were able to read all of those modules over Christmas break, but if not, then you really do want to make sure that before you dive into some of the work today, that you spend some time reading and taking notes on all of Unit 5, Part 2. Okay, so the two things that I need you guys working on this week, the first thing is the intelligence worksheet, and the second thing is the Unit 5 Part 2 in-class FRQ. Both things can be done in class with partners or by yourself, just kind of depending on how you want to be working. And I just quickly wanted to go over those two things. So the first thing that you're going to be working on is the introduction to intelligence. And what this is going to do is go through some of the different theorists who have something to say about intelligence and fill out these boxes here. You're then going to look at the different types of ways that people try to assess intelligence and set up these tests. So in other words, test construction. And hopefully you're going to see a lot of overlap between what we did in research methods in Unit 2 and the test construction stuff from Unit 5 Part 2, okay? After that, you'll answer some final questions just to make sure you understand all of the concepts, and then you'll pop over to this Unit 5 Part 2 FRQ. Once again, this is not an assessment like a test. This is just more FRQ practice, so I want you to answer it like it's the real deal, but do know that you can do this with a partner, open note, etc. So I've given you 3 scenarios. Not all of the scenarios have 7 bullet points, so it's not like 3 full FRQ questions, but it's going to give you guys a chance to go through some of the concepts in a more kind of in-depth, abstract way. Okay, so you have today all the way through Friday at midnight to get this in and submitted. You will have class time on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday to work on this. And you'll just need to pace out for yourself whether or not you need to make this homework or not. It's kind of up to you and the pace you're working on in class. But do know that on Thursday, we'll have an additional assignment for you, and that's just going to be a quick College Board assessment. Let's see, what else should we talk about? You're sure that you've read Unit 5, Part 2. Good. You're working on the intelligence worksheet and the Unit 5, Part 2 FRQ in class. This is also due, both of these things are due Friday at midnight. For homework tonight, you're also going to complete an Edpuzzle called The Controversy of Intelligence. I think it's a good watch and will help you with something that we're going to be doing down the road. And then finally, just to put it on your radar, even though it's a little early, the Unit 5 Part 2 test is going to be January 20th on College Board. And since I know the College Board questions can be a bit more challenging and have more answers in the multiple choice section than the Schoology test, I'm going to make this first graded College Board assessment an open note assessment. So everybody will take it on their own, but you can use your notes on this. This is the first and last time it will happen. Starting with Unit 6, we're going to be going full on College Board assessments, closed note. So this is kind of like your opportunity to get used to these tests in a less stressful way. Okay, so today and Tuesday, you're working on the intelligence worksheet and the Unit 5 Part 2 FRQ in class. You will also have Thursday, but know that there will be an additional College Board assessment for you guys to do that's ungraded. And then additionally for homework tonight, please complete this Edpuzzle here. Okay, all right. Looking forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Have a great day and happy semester 2.